Hi guys, welcome back to this amazing YouTube channel. We are the Kariokis. Today I want to show you what I usually do. This is what I've planted. This is spinach, purely organic. Those are my spinach. Here I have some cabbages, though they are not yet well grown up, but they are doing good. They are doing great. Purely organic. Sisi ni wale tunalima. Over here I've planted managu. These are managus, purely organic. This is what we feed. In between kuna cilantro or dania all the way to the end. Over here we have this kale. It's called matumbo. Sukuma ya matumbo. I don't know why it's called like that, or tribes, simply because it looks like some tribes. You can see. You can see. They are very yummy. See you. And this is my friend. Oh, hi bestie. This one is very violent. See ya. This is what we do, guys. Hapa unitan. Nataka kuwasha mam. Nimuoshe nisimuoshe?
Usimuoshe.
Happy
birthday ya mam. You.
Hey babies. Sos anawamiss sana. Nagoja mfunge shule. Mtakuwa mna shida hapa mking'oa na mkichimba na mkipanda. Hii ndio kazi sasa mtakuwa mnafanya. Ama sio utatoroka. Na mkimaliza pale tunawekelea githeri na nyongo tunakula. Haya, bye.